What's going on, guys? It's Almighty Icy with a sneaker restoration video. I'm in my girlfriend's room right now, at my girlfriend's house, so it's a little weird. I'm out of my comfort zone. No, I'm just kidding. I love her so much. Anyways, we're going to be getting into it with a new sneaker restoration. My first ever. It's never been done before. No one's ever seen something like this. First, what we're going to be doing to these Jordan 11 Easters or Emeralds is we're going to be cleaning them with a mixture of water, Oxi Clean, a store brand shoe cleaner, and we're going to be using a brush that is also store brand. Pretty simple stuff.
Premiumbeef.com.
Next, what we're going to be doing here is we're going to be taping up the Jordans for the paint job. Simply what this does is it allows no paint to go on the white parts that you don't want to paint. But actually, my dad came down and helped me out. This is my father, Pete. He's pretty good with art stuff, So after the tape job comes the fun part, the airbrush. My father, Pete, helped me out with this, and this is tremendous. What he did for this paint job is amazing. First, what you want to do is add reds, blues, yellows, and purples to the mix. Right now we're making purple with red and blue in the airbrush. What you want to do here is you want to make sure you don't blob any sort of big, paint over it. You want to do little markings, almost like you're coloring in the lines. However, what you're doing with this is that you're just trying to avoid big patches of red, yellow, purple, or blue. So to make this paint job really cool, we have some shooting stars on here, some nice little speckled stars. There's two secrets to this video that I did not release yet, but this is the big kicker that made this shoe really pop. What we used was white and an airbrush, and we used a sandpaper cutting, and we tried to make the shooting star first, but that didn't work out too well. So what we decided to do was use a dryer sheet packaging, part of the cardboard, and use it to make the shooting star. Next, what we're going to do here is we're going to take a toothbrush and speckle it on there. As you can see, right by the toe, what I did was I dripped a little bit of paint. It was a big blob of it right there. That's it right there. That was a huge blob of paint, and you know what? In painting, you're going to make mistakes. This is my first paint job. You just got to press on through and keep going. What you want to do with this is you want to take the toothbrush, put it against your thumb, and slowly let the bristles go past your thumb onto it to make stars. This is really important for the stars and the galaxy look. It's really important to make the paint job pop. Honestly, this is huge. If you make a mistake, you can just brush off whatever you can with water and soap. But that's basically it. And this is the finished product. This is the Galaxy Jordan. Never been done before. I've seen things, some crazy things, and this has never been done before. It's gonna look like, guys, is essentially this. It's a nice little Galaxy design. It's super cool on the toe. Nice and speckled on the front, on the sides. It's good stuff. I mean, I've never seen anything like this. I've looked on YouTube, I looked on Pinterest. Me and my dad created this idea ourselves, and we just decided to roll with it. So honestly, if you guys want to do this paint job, just make sure you credit me, or make sure you tag me or something. I want to see your paint jobs, If you feel like you want to do this, go ahead. But if you want me to do it, let me know. Alright, Almighty Icy, peace and out.